How to use pages and subpages in Clickup. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use pages and subpages within your Clickup space. So we're going to head over the space that we have, and we are going to basically create a document within this space. I can go ahead and use, for example, the daily plans. Maybe we're going to add the lists or create or have a list here. I'm going to head over the views and add doc. Now within doc, we are going to find the title, for example, doc 1. And we can go ahead and start writing things. For example, I can go ahead and add a table. This is just going to be for the sake of the video. Test 1. For example, test 2, and here we have test 3. Now we have this page, so I want to add a new page. How we can create a page: either we are going to click on this button which is going to be labeled add page, or we can go ahead and put the slash and type in page. We're going to have a new page to create. So we're going to be on this page. We can go ahead and start adding other things. For example, details about doc 1. So we can go ahead and have the pages or a page just like that. You're going to find that we have added the page within this place. Why? Because we have selected the slash. So if you're going to add the slash page, you're going to add a page block into this place and you're going to be okay. So if you do not add it or add a page from here, it is not going to be linked. But here we're going to talk about subpage now. How we can add a subpage. We're going to have, for example, let's say some details. Here are some more instruction about our work, and I am going to have this work, let's say not linked, but basically I'm going to put a slash and we're going to type in sub page. Click on create a sub page. It's going to be creating a sub page for the first one. We're going to have instructions for work. We're going to be back to our doc 1. We're going to find it here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.